Hey everyone, welcome back to my third and final video showing you all the goodies that you can pick up at Not Just for Boys Kit Club right now. All of this stuff just came out and things tend to sell out rather quickly on this club. I'm going to come in a tiny bit more. So if you are digging something, my suggestion would be to get over there and get it. So I'm going to start this last video with the page kit by Meridy, and then I'm going to show you tons and tons of a la carte goodies. So let's start with the papers in this kit, and you'll get instructions from Meridy. She does these full color instructions. They are awesome, tells you bit by bit what to do. And at least the last few months, there's been great instructional videos as well that are companion pieces. So they're really well done. So impressed. So we get a piece of smooth white cardstock. Okay. Next, we get wood grain by Echo Park. It is called Our Wedding 4x4 journaling cards. Hopefully we'll be using this side because it's gorgeous. But the flip side has all these really nice sentiments. So all kinds of wedding sentiments, really, really nice. I have a feeling we're using this side, and I hope we are because that's me right there. Next, this is Jen Hadfield Patio Party Shady Spot. And when I saw this, I was like, why didn't I ever see this piece of paper? It's got the best limey, saturated greens and like a very dark navy with a tinge of purple in it. It's gorgeous. And the flip side is a super usable, looks like, let me see. Yeah, slightly off white with wonky dots and a really nice branding strip. And then the final paper, which, oh my gosh, it's so cute. And I never saw this piece either. I don't know how these things are possible because I feel like I've seen so much of collections. So Jen Hadfield Homemade Patio Party called Painted Beetles. I mean, they're literally cute little buggies. They're so cute. Like, if I saw that little buggy, I wouldn't even squish him. I wouldn't. He's so cute. Okay, and then the back side, we have that nice branding strip. And is it white or is it slightly off-white? I'm putting it up against this white right here. And it has like blush pink little polka dots, very, very linear. And then, oh, but wait, there's more. We have a cut file that goes with this, and it reads happiness. Wait, happiness is it? Yeah, it's going to read happiness is. So I'm very excited to see what we're going to do with that. And we have a piece of gray cardstock to use along with that. Oh, way too glary. Next, oh, I just saw my daughter is home. I see her car over there. Okay, next we have the full package from Simple Stories from Hello Today, the chipboard frames. And there are 6 of them. Let me see what we have. And I know we're getting serious crinkle, but I tend to like to really show you guys everything. If you don't want to see everything, just zip along to the next part. It is fine. Nobody's going to hurt my feelings. I get it. Oh my. So this is a double frame. Look at that. I'm going to be a little obnoxious and show you closer. With really large butterflies and a gorgeous banner piece. That's awesome. Oh my gosh, guys, these are huge. Like, it totally takes care of most of the layout and you build it around it. This reads Snapshot of a Happy Life, and we have a label again with this gorgeous aqua. Next, we have a double frame. So again, it looks like, a book plate with a tab and floral pieces. These are pretty awesome, guys. And we have a very large one that reads Today. Oh, with that same polka dot paper. Very cool. This reads Live Colorfully, and it's super cute. And then finally, this one reads Documented, and it has a little mouse purse on the top. So cute with the word documented. Okay, we have that. And then we have this full set from Freckled Fawn of all of these chipboard sentiments. In this olive, this grape mustard, a really nice saturated peach. We have teal, and then this is an aqua, and then the rest are black and white with super great sentiments. I think that is awesome. So that is a page kit by Meridy with lots of goodies. And clearly, you will be using these embellishments for more than just one page kit. So that's where I am grabbing the value on that one. Next, let's get some a la carte goodies. Right, so I have a big old pile of a la carte items. So I'm going to go through things one by one with you. And yeah, there's the good in here. So first off, I have two Nuvo products that are gorgeous. Just, this color is the bee's knees. I'm trying to get a lot more of the mica going without, here, I'll do it off screen so you don't throw up, without it getting into the nozzle. So this one is called Mica Mist in Silver Smoke. It's just, definitely like, it's silver, but it's a deeper silver. Totally sweet. The next thing I have, this is a Nuvo mist again. Look at that olive tone, and it is in the color Wild Olive. Very cool. Love those. And these are to go with the kits of this month. They're very clever with that kind of stuff. All right, so for our superhero, our Marvelous kit, we have this set of sequins. I have sequins for both of the kits. So I see metallic red, deep blue, baby blue stars, and I see black and white sequins and gold. So they are beautiful. And then to go with our electric kit, they really fill up these containers. So I have to be careful so I don't have a piñata. Last month, I almost opened it upside down. It was terrifying. So we have this really nice yellow. We have gold sequins. I want to see what that metallic, oh, there it is. Like a 4-pointed silver foily star. It's very iridescent. And we have iridescent discs in here as well. We have some aqua pieces and like iridescent greeny turquoise, because you know that's what it's called. Oh gosh, they're attacking. The yellow ones want out. Oh gosh. Go on, go back in. Okay, so sequins mixes, so pretty. I like that both of them have sparkly bits, but they're like different sparkly bits. Okay, we have that. Now, I do want to show you, gosh, how do I want to show you stuff? Let me show you stuff that they did for Easter. We don't have an Easter kit, but we do have some Easter looking products. So this is an acrylic piece. It reads Easter, but it's pearly. The finish is pearly and it's a little bit shiny. I know it's in the package. Maybe I should take it out for you so I'm not so like, meh. I'm describing it and you can't see it properly. So there you go. So it's not the matte finish that some of the acrylics are in, and it's in this gorgeous pearl. Okay. And then these have the same pearl, but we have these Easter bunnies on the inside. Oh my gosh, guys. They are the sweetest, cutest little things. And the deal is you can use it with the silhouette of the bunny. You can use it with just the frosty little pink bunny or green bunny. Now you can see it better if I go like that. Oh my goodness, he is so cute. So I don't know, like, do I want to use it? Like where I can see the silhouette and maybe some pattern paper beneath it so I can have it stretch even further. He is so cute. I love the little bunnies. They're so cute. Although, I mean, Easter is my favorite holiday. So next, we have this much larger kind of a cut file, and this one is like 7 7/8 long by, I mean, I'm totally ishing it, guys, by 6 inches. So it's a really nice prominent piece, and you get a piece of cardstock with it. But we have a cute Easter egg with some greenery. And then this one is like a Fabergé egg. Look at how pretty. It is absolutely beautiful. All right, I just wanted to show you the Easter stuff a little bit separately, and then I can get into a bunch of the other good. Okay, so let's go with the rest of the acrylics. So this one reads Shine, and it is in a matte finish, and it is a really nice, deep, like teal color. And look at how cute all of these little stars are. That's super cute. Oh, and there's a floaty star right there. Let me get it to go down for your polka dot on the eye. And then we have these arrows, and what you cannot see, so I'm going to get it out, is there are, on these two pieces right here, there are absolutely clear acrylic pieces. Do you see that outside? And then let me see if I can get this to show. Do you see the shine? So it looks like clear glass. How awesome is that? So cool. And then we have the green and the yellow. So those are super sweet. Then we have this. Now every month they have the same like wood looking cut with a different word in it. And then we have these lightning bolts in that nice strong green as well as the yellow. And both of those acrylic pieces are like in a matte finish. And then these are all 4 separate words to go with our superhero kit. Look at how cool. Boom, pow, bam, crack. In gorgeous, gorgeous colors. I am just dying. And this orange, by the way, it's more of a pumpkin orange. It has some depth to it. And that's very cherry red. So that's my acrylic goodness. Let's see. I want to make sure you can see them or not see them. I don't know. I don't know what you want. Okay. Let me show you all of these cut files. There are a bunch. So this one's gorgeous. It's a great one that you can just pop a title in or have it this way with some flowers and the greenery sticking out. So cool. This one is very boldly explaining that it's a superhero. Ta-da. And this is that super, super bright green that's in the Marvelous kit. This reads, a superhero lives here. I'm telling you, you can use this for every single mom right there. Yep. These have a bunch of speech bubbles and the inserts are still in there. So let's see, there's like, oh, you know what? It's one big speech bubble and the 2 inserts are still in there. So you can have 2 sets of words. But this one right here reads like a separate one that's solid. Okay, that's very cool. We have ourselves a giant speech bubble, depending on how you put it. Ooh, I like it that way, and you can have all the words coming down. Like, wouldn't it look so cute with all these words coming down? And more speech bubbles with the little inset pieces. This one reads fearless, which that's going to go across your page. That is so cool. And finally, this reads brilliant. So, and that's a really nice long one as well. Very cool. So that is my huge amount of cut files. Now, these were in the store last month and I didn't get them. And I was like, where did those come from? Guys, look at how cute this little mushroom is. And it is fabric and they are thin. So if you are thinking that it was super chunky and you wouldn't want it in your scrapbook pages, they are not. They are just perfect little mushrooms. Okay, so I have those. Now what else? Oh, look at this for an add-on. They're Heidi Swap stickers. And are they called something? I don't know if they're called something or not. No, I don't know. But they are like crayon blue if you go in your Crayolas, and they have glitter on them and I don't see any fallout at all. So they are perfect and they're stickers. I love that bullseye. That would be great if you can get a pic of people playing darts. So cute. So super great add-on for that. And then look at how cool these are. And let's see, they're thickers. They're chipboard. They're black, white, and metallic gold, and they're called Miscellanea. And I'm going to hold it like that because there's lots and lots and lots of pieces. You can add these to things forevermore. Right there. They're awesome. Why do I feel like these were from Amy Tan? I don't know. They just look like that to me. Okay, and I have one more a la carte thing. Well, I have 2, but they kind of go together. So let me show you the next bits. So these are simple stories. Hold on one second. They're both simple stories and they are from Color Vibe. So let's start with the papers. There are 6 in here And it's called Cardstock Kit Woods, and they're 6 12 by 12 sheets. I'm going to just go ahead and get rid of the sticky part so I can maybe get these back in. I am tragic at getting things back in these packages once they're released. I am. All right, so I'm so excited about this. I was wanting these and they magically appeared. So the first one is Aspen / White Notebook. So I'm assuming this is Aspen. So really nice, gorgeous. These are all, you know, wood grain with something else on the back. And quite frankly, the backs will never be seen because I am a wood grain girl. Next one is Birch and White Grid. I like my wood to be going this way. I like stripes going this way, so I'm sure that's why I like the wood going that way. The back is a lovely white grid, but no. The next one is Cedar / White Ledger. So, I mean, you can tell there's definitely all these different woods, and they're so cool that there's so many. I even like those whitewash, like painted woods. So they're just pretty. So Cedar, White Ledger, and the back is, guess what? A white ledger. Let's go like that. Next is Hickory / Cream Notebook. So I'm assuming this is hickory. Gorgeous mid-tone wood. Oh, this is pale. This is like a pale, like it has a green vibe because that's white right there. Nice. I'll go like that. Next, I have Elm and Cream Grid. So much deeper saturation. And I mean, it's calling itself cream, but I'm telling you, there's a tinge of like ledger green in it. And then the last piece is Walnut and Cream Ledger. So it's a much more blown up piece of wood. It's not like the slats, and that's so pretty. And ledger. Awesome. And then the other thing I got, and the last thing, if I could figure out where it was. Oh, it's this right here. They're the Simple Stories Color Vibe Alpha Sticker Book in woods. And, you know, this is the kind of thing I could have opened before we're sitting here chatting. But no, I did not, because I wanted to wait to open it with you. And now I can't because it's stuck forevermore. That is the whole story. And yes, I know I can take my scissors and get it that way, but I do like when I get to fold the whole shebang behind it. And yeah, so I'm just going to be irritating for a minute. So in the meantime, while I spend 3 hours opening this, wanted to remind you that we do have a blog for Not Just for Boys Kit Club. I'll have that link below. We have a Facebook community, Instagram, which is at Not Just for Boys Kit Club, as well as the blog. So please go take a look at all of that so you can get some ideas like how somebody else used stuff, or, you know, we have lots of our subscribers who, well, they go on the reservation list. I don't know if it's called subscribers or not, but people who get the kits, you know, they're sharing their ideas and all that kind of stuff too. So it's fun. Anywho, so there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 different alpha sets, and I'm sure they're going along with each type of wood. I would assume that's what they're doing. So it's kind of cool. And there's 1,758 stickers. So the way they did it is each like color set, they have the full sheet, right? And there's some numbers. And then they have a tile alpha and a smaller version of it. And they repeat that with each set, and it's pretty darn cool if you ask me. So that is the last of what I've gotten from the store from a la carte. I hope you like it all because I love it. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll get right back to you. Bye, friends.